Staying motivated throughout your fitness journey is often the most challenging aspect of achieving long-term success. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or someone who has been working out for years, it's normal to experience moments of self-doubt, lack of drive, or periods when you fall off track. However, understanding that motivation ebbs and flows and learning how to cultivate it can make all the difference in achieving your fitness goals. This video will explore the key factors that influence motivation, provide actionable strategies to stay committed to your fitness journey, and address common challenges that often derail progress. Whether your goal is to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply adopt a healthier lifestyle, these insights can help you maintain focus and stay on track. Motivation isn't something that magically appears and stays with you at all times. It fluctuates based on various internal and external factors such as mood, energy levels, life stresses, and even how your body is responding to your workouts. Knowing that motivation will naturally ebb and flow can help you build resilience when you're feeling less driven to hit the gym or stick to your nutrition plan. There are two main types of motivation to consider. Intrinsic motivation. This refers to internal factors that drive you, such as the joy you feel from working out, the satisfaction of seeing progress, or the desire to feel strong and healthy. Extrinsic motivation. This comes from external rewards, like receiving compliments, earning prizes, or even achieving a certain physical appearance. The best way to build lasting motivation is by developing a strong sense of intrinsic motivation. While external rewards can be motivating in the short term, relying solely on extrinsic motivation may lead to burnout or disappointment when those rewards aren't consistent. Fostering a love for the process, rather than just the outcome, is key. A clear goal is the cornerstone of a successful fitness journey. If you don't know what you're working toward, it's hard to maintain motivation.
That's why goal setting should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART.
Specific. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, set a specific goal like, I want to run a 5K in 3 months, or I want to squat 100 pounds by the end of the year. Measurable. Ensure that your goal can be tracked, so you can celebrate small victories along the way. For example, if your goal is to lose weight, track how many pounds or inches you want to lose. Achievable. Make sure the goal is realistic given your current fitness level and lifestyle. Setting unattainable goals will lead to frustration and demotivation. Relevant. Ensure the goal aligns with your personal values and long-term objectives. Time-bound. Having a deadline can help you stay focused and provide a sense of urgency. Once you've established a specific goal, break it down into smaller milestones. Celebrating small wins will keep you motivated and give you a sense of accomplishment that fuels long-term success. One of the most powerful tools for staying motivated is understanding your deep-rooted reasons for embarking on a fitness journey. Ask yourself, why do I want to get fit? Why do I want to improve my health? Your answers should be personal, meaningful, and tied to something that genuinely matters to you. For example, you might want to improve your health to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Have more energy to play with your kids or grandchildren. Feel more confident and comfortable in your body. Improve mental health and reduce stress. When motivation wanes, revisiting your why can help reignite the passion and determination you need to keep going. It's important that your reasons for staying fit go beyond superficial goals like weight loss or appearance alone. Linking your goals to long-term life satisfaction will make them more enduring. Consistency is key to any successful fitness journey, and the easiest way to stay consistent is by creating a routine. Make exercise and healthy eating a non-negotiable part of your daily schedule, much like brushing your teeth or going to work. Set a workout schedule. Decide on the best times for your workouts, whether it's in the morning before work or in the evening after the kids go to bed, and stick to it. Committing to regular workout times makes it easier to establish a habit. Prepare your environment. Lay out your workout clothes the night before, prepare meals in advance, and keep your fitness gear easily accessible. The less friction you experience before starting your workout, the easier it will be to stay on track. Track your progress. Whether you use a journal, an app,
or a fitness tracker. Keeping a record of your workouts, nutrition, and progress will help keep you motivated. Tracking your progress will show you how far you've come, which can reignite your motivation. Building your fitness routine into your lifestyle will help minimize the days when you're just not feeling it, because exercising will feel like a natural part of your day rather than something optional. Monotony is a motivation killer. Doing the same workouts repeatedly can make your fitness routine feel more like a chore than an enjoyable part of your day. Mixing up your exercise routine with new workouts or activities can keep things exciting and challenging, giving you something to look forward to. Try different workouts. If you typically stick to weightlifting, try adding in a cardio class or Pilates. If you're a runner, try yoga or cycling for a change of pace. Cross-training not only keeps your workouts fresh, but also helps build well-rounded fitness. Set new challenges. Once you've mastered a particular exercise or workout, set new challenges to continue progressing. For example, if you can comfortably run 5 kilometers, set a goal to increase your distance or improve your pace. Work out with a friend. Exercising with a partner can add an element of fun and accountability to your fitness routine. You can challenge each other, try new activities, or even engage in some friendly competition. By incorporating variety and challenges into your routine, you'll be more likely to stay engaged, interested, and motivated to continue your journey. Acknowledging and rewarding your efforts can help reinforce your commitment to fitness. Rewards don't have to be extravagant, but celebrating even small milestones can boost your motivation. Here are some ways to reward yourself. Treat yourself to new workout gear. Buying a new pair of sneakers or workout clothes can be both practical and motivating. Wearing new gear might give you that extra push to hit the gym or go for a run. Schedule a massage or spa day. Treating yourself to a relaxing massage or spa day can serve as a well-deserved reward for hitting a fitness milestone, like completing a month of consistent workouts or reaching a weight loss goal. Indulge in a favorite activity. Reward yourself with an enjoyable activity that you might not always have time for, such as a movie night, a day off to explore nature, or a hobby you love. Remember, rewards should align with your fitness goals, so avoid indulging in habits that may counteract your progress, like unhealthy food binges. Instead, focus on rewards that reinforce your journey toward better health and well-being. Staying motivated is much easier when you have a strong support system in place. Whether it's friends, family, or a community of like-minded individuals, surrounding yourself with people who support and encourage your fitness goals can have a profound impact on your journey. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to work out with can keep you accountable and make exercise more enjoyable. Your workout partner can help push you when you're feeling low on motivation and celebrate your successes with you. Join a fitness community. Many gyms and fitness programs offer group classes or online communities that can provide support, motivation, and inspiration. Connecting with others who share similar goals can boost your motivation and create a sense of camaraderie. Share your goals with loved ones. When you let the people closest to you know about your fitness goals, they can offer encouragement and help hold you accountable. Having someone check in on your progress can be a great motivator to stay on track. It's important to recognize that setbacks and plateaus are a natural part of any fitness journey. You may face injuries, busy life periods, or mental blocks that slow your progress. During these times, it's crucial to stay patient, avoid being overly critical of yourself, and maintain perspective. Reframe setbacks. Rather than seeing setbacks as failures, view them as learning opportunities. Maybe you've hit a plateau because your body has adapted to your current workout routine. This could be a sign to try something new or focus on different areas of your fitness. Stay flexible with your goals. Sometimes, life gets in the way of fitness goals, and that's okay. If you've experienced a setback, don't abandon your goals altogether. Adjust them as necessary, whether that means lowering the intensity of your workouts temporarily or shifting your timeline. Keep a positive mindset. Cultivating a positive attitude toward your fitness journey is essential for long-term motivation. Embrace the process and be kind to yourself. Understand that progress takes time and every step forward is valuable. In conclusion,
Staying motivated on your fitness journey requires a combination of planning, mindset, and flexibility. By setting clear, achievable goals, finding your personal why, and establishing a consistent routine, you can build a sustainable fitness plan. Mix up your workouts, reward yourself for progress, and surround yourself with a supportive community to keep your motivation high. Lastly, understand that setbacks and plateaus are natural and should be viewed as learning opportunities rather than failures. Embrace the process, remain patient, and celebrate each step forward. Fitness is not just about the destination, but about learning to enjoy the journey itself. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Join our community, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.